P is a point on the line joining two given points A 2, 3, 4 and B 3, 5 and 6. And how is this point P? The projection of OP on the coordinate axis are 13 by 5, 19 by 5 and 26 by 5. Then we need the ratio in which P divides the segment joining A and B. Now if you remember the projections of OP, that is line joining origin to a point P, are nothing but the coordinates of the point itself, as the projections of OP on axis are given to be 13 by 5, 19 by 5 and 26 by 5. That means the coordinates of the point itself would be 13 by 5, 19 by 5 y coordinate and 26 by 5 z coordinate. Now we have identified the position of the point P. What else do we require? We need the ratio in which this point P divides the segment joining A and B. So let us assume that let P divide A having coordinates 2, 2, 4 and B 3, 5 and 6 in the ratio lambda is to 1. Now bisection formula, can we write the coordinates of P? Yes, P will be in the form 1 into 2 plus 3 into lambda by 1 plus lambda. Similarly 1 into 2 plus 5 into lambda by 1 plus lambda. 1 into 4 plus 6 into lambda by 1 plus lambda. That is nothing but the point is in the form 3 lambda plus 2 by lambda plus 1, 5 lambda plus 2 by lambda plus 1, 6 lambda plus 4 by lambda plus 1. So the point P coordinates are now known to us in terms of lambda, but by the definition of projection of a line joining origin to a point, we already know the coordinates of P. So when is this possible? Now this is possible only if 13 by 5 is same as 3 lambda plus 2 by lambda plus 1, and similarly the y coordinate 19 by 5 should be equal to 5 lambda plus 2 by lambda plus 1, and the z coordinate 26 by 5 should be equal to 6 lambda plus 4 by lambda plus 1. So when you solve any one of these equations, we get lambda equal to 3 by 2. Even if we solve y coordinates or z coordinates or x coordinates, the lambda value remains to be 3 by 2. So the ratio in which P divides AB is lambda is to 1, that is same as 3 by 2 is to 1, or shall we say this ratio is 3 is to 2, right? Let us see which option it satisfies. Yes, the option presented B, which is 3 is to 2.